L.E.W. Inc. is ready to tackle the health of our waterways with another mighty machine. Sand, silt, and sediment is no match for the Dino 6 Dredge. From large lakes and canals to neighborhood retention ponds, L.E.W. Inc. has got you covered with this towable dredge capable of getting into hard-to-reach places. This specialized mighty machine is designed to accomplish one job: restore life back to our precious resource, our lakes, canals, and retention ponds. The Dino 6 Dredge weighs in only at 4,000 pounds, making it capable of being trailered virtually anywhere. The Dino 6 is ready to cut through years of sediment caused by erosion, aquatic herbicides, and decay. Years of sediment accumulation reduces water depth dramatically that increases water temperatures, producing an unlivable environment for wildlife. Water volume after dredging is increased in any body of water with years of sediment removed from the bottom, reducing flooding and benefiting HOAs with retention ponds. The Dino 6 is capable of removing waste at 1,500 gallons per minute that can also be repurposed for shore restoration utilizing eco-friendly geotube technology. With experience and expertise, feel confident that L.E.W. Inc. can get the job done quickly and safely. Let's not kick the can down the road. Take the first step so that we can work on a competitive price. Financing also available for qualified clients. L.E.W. Inc. is committed to restoring our waterways with American-made premium sediment removal equipment. Together, we can do this.